Hi guys, and welcome back to day 3 in successive percentage.
So guys, we continue for day 3 successive percentage. What is the concept? Two or more percentage shortcut solve in second. Okay, so what is that? A question is a price increased by 20% and then by 20%. Find the overall increase. So what we are going to learn, two percentage changes. Okay, we need not add them. That is the main thing on the use. Once we will use a shortcut how to solve this type of question. So that a price is increased by 20% and then by 10% overall increase. This type of question I've previously presented in my previous section also. Okay, a plus b minus a by b by 100, or a by b by plus ab by 100. Okay, in case of plus increase it is plus, in case of decrease it is minus. So 20 plus 10, 30 plus 30, 20 into 10 by 100, 30 plus 30 per increase. Okay, so this is all practice. 2 steps I've solved the question. The question is there, salary is increased by 25% and then decreased by 20%. Okay, find the change, percentage change. Okay, so what is that? 25 minus 20 minus 25 into 20 by 100. 25 minus 20 is 5, minus 25 into 25 into 25, 500 by 100. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0%. So hardly it is a matter of 3 seconds to 4 seconds if you practice. Okay guys, here it is, population decreases by 30 and then again by 20%. Read the question, decreases by 30 and then again decreases by twice. Okay, twice. So how will you solve? Decreases by 30 minus 30 minus 20 minus minus plus. Okay, so 30 into 20 divided by 100, minus minus plus. This is 50 minus 50, 60. Okay, this is 3 to just 6, it will go to 6 minus 50, 44% decrease. What is that? Okay, see, I am doing in front of you guys. So what is that? Practice. Okay, hardly 3 steps, 3 seconds. Okay, some of the question, if you have kept it for practice. Okay, increase by 15%, then 25, decrease by 10% and then by 30. So these are things I prepared it guys for you guys. And if you want to keep on learning, okay, just solve this type in minutes of second and ping me in my what is that channel, and I'm there to solve you with the correct answer if something goes wrong. Otherwise day 3 is complete. That's all for thing. Okay, please do press the bell icon, and I'll come with day 4 with new in successive percentage is complete. I'll come with a new topic. Thank you.